Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to monetize your Facebook Reels. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Facebook app, and after that you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see the option of professional dashboard. So you need to tap on professional dashboard, and here you will be able to see your performance, your reach, your content published, engagement, and your followers as well. So over here you need to scroll down, and in the tools you are going to see the option of monetization and the prompt which says that if you are eligible you can explore ways to earn money on Facebook. So if you tap on the monetization option, you will be landed on this page where in the top it will show you whether you are eligible or not eligible for monetization. As you can see over here that currently my account is not eligible for it, but if your account is eligible, then you need to tap on the option of ads on reels, which include making money by including ads in your reel. So you just have to tap on the option, and then you will be landed on this ad on reels page where it will show you how you will be able to get money by posting reels on Facebook. So instead of learn more option, you will be able to see the enable option. So you need to tap on enable, and then you can set up your payment method in order to receive the payment. You need to make sure that the ads on reels is only available by invitation, but you will be notified of any updates. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.